Hey guys, it's Anpu and I'm back with a quick daily vlog. Today it's bonfire night and we are off to Battersea Park in central London to watch the fireworks. Hopefully it should be a really good night. And I haven't been to Battersea Park that often, just because it's quite far away from where I live. So it's a fantastic chance to watch the fireworks and explore a new part of the city. Come on then, what are you waiting for? Get your Oyster card out, let's go.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
It is a rainy afternoon here in London. You know, it has come as a massive surprise. So thank you Gabby for giving us a lift to Battersea Park. The easiest way to get to Battersea Park is by taking the Victoria line down to Victoria and then taking the National Rail down to Battersea Park Station. If you really don't want to take the National Rail, then Sloane Square Station on the District line is 23-minute walk away from Battersea Park. Or, from Victoria Station, it's a half-an-hour walk. Where are we off to?
We're going to Battersea Park fireworks.
Yeah? Where are we now? Where's the park? Have you looking forward to it? Have you been here before?
I've never been to this one before, but fireworks is my favourite night of the year.
Yeah. I've really underestimated how cold it was today, but I'm glad we're all really wrapped up. I've got my hat and my scarf. So if you look around, everyone here is making their way to the park at the moment. We're going to be making our way soon, and I'm really excited to see what tonight has in store for us. Welcome to Battersea Park Fireworks 2017. It was such a special night, sipping on that mulled cider in one hand, hot dog in the other, watching the bright lights in the crisp British autumn. And remember guys, love your identity, and I will see you in next week's video on Thursday at 5 PM GMT. Until next time guys, cheerio!